This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying hardware and carrier readiness. Check that your laptop includes a 5G modem or supports eSIM. Many thin laptops need a specific M2 module. Once confirmed, get an activated 5G SIM or request an eSIM profile from your carrier and copy the activation details. Make sure drivers and firmware are up to date. This prevents connection drops. Once done, power your laptop. Insert the SIM or provision the eSIM and move to network configuration. You'll now configure the modem and network settings so the laptop negotiates 5G correctly. Install the vendor's 5G modem drivers, then open the OS mobile broadband settings or the vendor utility. Add or confirm the carrier APN, authentication type, and any required DNS. These details let the modem register. Select the 5G profile and preferred bands if available to favor 5G over 4G. Once your software shows registered, initiate a connection and verify IP allocation and internet. You'll finish by validating performance and setting recovery options. Run a speed test to confirm 5G throughput and check latency. If results are low, toggle airplane mode or reconnect to force re-registration. Make sure Auto Connect is enabled so you don't lose service on reboot. If you still have issues, update modem firmware and consult carrier provisioning. A quick troubleshooting tip: if registration fails, reseat or swap the SIM and reset the network stack. This resolves most modem provisioning conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.